What's going on? It's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the brand new 2023 15-inch M2 powered MacBook Air. As always, I will be uploading a number of videos testing this MacBook along with videos comparing it to other laptops. So if you'd like to be one of the first people to see these videos, along with being one of the first 5,000 people to do so, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button, clicking the bell icon to be notified of when any of my new videos go live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. Unlike the 13-inch MacBook Air, the 15-inch has no plastic shrink wrap and instead has two pull tabs, one on the top and on the bottom of the box. And pulling these and lifting the lid reveals the MacBook placed atop. And placing this aside, we get our first look at what comes included with this 15-inch MacBook Air. The first of these items is the Designed by Apple in California documentation envelope, and taking a look at the documentation within reveals a quick start guide which gives us a general overview of the ports and where the power button is on this MacBook, along with showcasing user interface items like the dock. There is also some health and safety information along with further details on our 1-year Apple limited warranty. And lastly, there are two color matching Apple stickers. The next item to come included with this MacBook Air is our dual 35-watt USB-C power adapter. It's worth noting that this power adapter comes as standard with this 15-inch MacBook Air and does not support fast charging. And finally, the last item to come included with this 15-inch MacBook Air is our color matching braided MagSafe 3 to USB-C power cable. And as you can see, as I've elected to go for the Starlight colored MacBook Air, the MagSafe portion of this charger cable also comes in that Starlight color. And lastly, we have the MacBook Air itself. So the first thing you notice, and you really notice this before you even unpackage this MacBook Air, is how thin and light it is. It's considerably thinner and considerably lighter than even the 16-inch MacBook Pro. And due to how thin and light this MacBook is, it's certainly worthy of the Air title. On the right side of this MacBook Air, you will find a 3.5mm headphone jack, and on the left side of this MacBook Air, you will find the MagSafe 3 charge port, along with dual USB-C Thunderbolt 3 ports, which are capable of speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second. So that'll be all for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, then be sure to hit the thumbs up button, and if you are new around here, then be sure to subscribe clicking the bell icon to be notified of when a new video goes live. I will soon be uploading a number of videos testing and comparing this machine to other laptops, so be sure to subscribe as you don't want to miss out on those videos. If you've got any questions or if there's anything that you would like to see tested on this MacBook, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively you can hit me up on my social media, links to which can be found down below in this video's description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.